of War Tycoon. This time it's all about money. So let's log in. And last time we did the interactive tour, so I can click on start tour and I will be guided through the game and so on. There I have to select a country on the map, attack this country, so on, create, take a look into your attack list, then yes, wait some days until your battle is won or lost and watch your countries. This list shows all the countries you currently own. And back to the map, step over and so on. Discover the map, can be yours, all you want. Okay, and that's for the tutorial. Now let's talk about money. If I go to my countries, there is some income per day. At first, we have to have valid data. So, let's enter some values, but instead of editing each country in a single mode like this, go to edit, and then income per day is like 12. Save. This is a very hard task because it's a lot of data sets and I want to edit them all in one. So let's create a multi-edit mode. Country has to get a group edit operation, and the group edit is called country income. Edit and add some columns. Name is in view mode and income is in edit mode. So let's already make the release. Oh, Tycoon. It's sipping. So our release is packed. I'm going to upload it, and let's go to live instance. Now next day for War Tycoon, and I can go to countries, check them all and edit their income. So now just enter some random values. One stuff is bigger. Ten, 6, 4, 4, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, 12, 4, or maybe 2, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 9, 5, no, 3, 5, Schurgesvalle, 2, 3, 1, 3. By the way, the Johannesdorf is the region where most of people ever voted for AfD. Eibau. There is beer in Eibau. Anyway, Hardwood, Rennersdorf, Bartelsdorf, Stravalle, Oberkunnersdorf, is like 6 points, Niederkunnersdorf 2 points, let's say 5, Ebersdorf, Kleinschweidnitz, Großschweidnitz, Arbigsdorf, Chemnitz, Barnstadt, Kunnersdorf, Hartau, Petau, Schluckenhof, Gradovstvy, Waldeck, Nové Křečany, Staré Křečany, Záhradní, Banský, Vlčí hora, Studanka, Taubic, Dolní Podloží, Horní Podloží, Kottmarhäuser, Ottenhain, Wurbis, Kralovka, Hoberg. Okay, now we are through. Now every region has its income. And now let's create an SQL query. So my countries. Ježikov is owned by Philip Ebersbach, so let's edit those countries. Okay, now I have some income set written into the database. The countries are sorted by most income first. So if I go to my countries, I will see the most valuable country first. And now I have to create the code. Source. money. So, and also open source country. So table country has column income. Country. Now I have to add a cron tab. So cron is a file name. Maybe I should search for cron job. Yes, cron job. And there we have it. A cron job, and the cron job is income, and it's in tables country. The function is called income, and I have to implement the function now. Class static method income tables country income, and if the function is called, I will have to execute a query, database query update. So I first have to add a little bit of pocket money per user. So user has a username, password, avatar. In the create registration process, I should not allow them to set their avatar, otherwise there will be some errors. So I cannot create an avatar, but I can edit the avatar later. Okay. Let's close the editor. A user has a amount of money. 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 So money, money, money. So every user has a certain amount of money, and I have a description column default user money of like 10 coins. Now let's set the access rules. So a user must not be able under no circumstances to edit the amount of money he has. So never ever edit the amount of money. So next thing is to pay out the income. Update user. Set user country, set money equals user dot money with an if null to 0 plus country dot income from update where user dot id equals country dot owner. So update all users, set their money plus the country's income where the user ID is user. We can try this. So SQL localhost test2 cron.php. If we run the cron, we get an internal error. Okay, so that's a clue. Maybe we forgot to debit check the whole thing. Okay. Now if I take a look at the users, so at least I should have some money, but it's not the case. So let's run the cron again. And there we have fib is owning 6 cents and admin is owning 12 cents. My countries, I have 12. If I change Luknov, no, not delete, edit, to have an income of 2 per day, then I run the cron again. Of course, in the background I'm always resetting the country, the amounts. So I have run the cron. Doesn't work. So that's strange. Let's test the query itself. Okay, so I am using SQL. Set update user country, set user.money as if null user money, null plus country.income where user.id is country.owner. So for some reason it did not update the whole thing. Maybe I should use an if null for income 2. but it still has... Oh, I'm so dumb. Okay. Here I have it. They are collecting all the money already. So let's run the cron again, and there we should have $72. Okay. My countries. 72. But 72 plus 12 is 84, but plus 14 it is, yes, it should be a bit more, 84. So for some reason, and I assume I know the reason, the query doesn't work well, because I have 12 plus 2 cents per day. So MySQL up. So I have to somehow group this update statement. Group update. Okay, I should just implement it the old-fashioned way with an inner select. So update user set user.money as if null user.money, like select sum. So if null, select sum of country.income, where user.id is country owner, with a 0. This should do the trick. So I have a query like this. I have my user that is worth 84, and now it should have 108 instead of 106 if the query is correct. Yes, I have 98 now. Just forgot something. From country, of course. So this is the query to add up the income. So now git commit, fix number 4, income. Per country. At least now you should sign into the game, because from now on you will earn money with the countries you already own. And yes, next time we want to create the auctions, where the users have to pay for the soldiers that have to fight for them. That's it for today, and thank you for watching.